this video will talk about loops in C#. In C# there are 4 different type of loops: while loop, do while loop, for loop, and for each loop. I want to write a C# program using while loop which will ask the user to enter his target number. For example, the user enters 10, then our program should print even number until 10. So console.writeLine and we want the user to enter his target. So enter your target, and for read console.readLine and we need a variable to store the result, an integer variable result. Okay, but console.readLine reads a number as a string format from the console, so we need to convert that into integer, and to do this we need parse method in .parse. Okay, that's it. Now we need to start printing even numbers from 0 until the target, so we need a variable to start it 0, an integer variable name as start, and we initialize it to 0. And now while condition start is equal to or result. Okay, result. And now print this console.writeLine and we print start, and then we need to increment start by 2. So start plus 2, we increment it to 2. That's it. And I'm gonna run this program. Enter your target. I'm gonna enter 10 and press enter key. So 0 is incremented until 10. Okay friends, that's all for now. Thank you.